Vidyo AI. That's VIDYO.ai. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? Now, they made some recent updates that I haven't necessarily checked out, so we're going to check out. They've been blowing up my email, wanting to work with me. I was like, let me see first. Let me make sure the people are good first before we could work together. So let's look at this. I uploaded one of the recent Nicky and Moose videos and see how it did with it. So here we go. So this is my dashboard of Vidyo AI, right? So they got downloads, they got social media posts, they got media, brand kits, my templates. But I uploaded this particular one. Now you can upload the video whether you have it on your hard drive, right? On your computer, you can upload it right there. I do believe you can do it right from your phone as well. Just upload the video. But this is for long form videos. So 9 out of 10 times we don't have like super long videos on our phones, but if we do, you can upload it from there. So boom, I hit view clips. Here we go. Let's see. So we got 17 chapters, 19 shorts, right? And they all have different scores as well. It shows the different times. So this one has one of the highest scores, which is a 74. Let's see how it looks. Let's see. Right? It's actually, we love this phrase of working smarter, but not harder.
The people who are richer than you don't do things that you do. They stop doing things that you are doing. Because what happens is if you eliminate all of the wasted activity that you have in your life, you will create room for doing the few inputs that matter most.
We have some productivity hacks that... Okay, that was quick. It was 54 seconds. I'm not mad at that. Let's see what else it did. Oh, it created a whole new frame. Okay.
But today I want to introduce you guys to something that I use to be more productive, and it's called a 90-minute focus sprint. First, the night before, you need to write out your to-do list. And next up, turn off all notifications. That's on your phone and your computer. And next up, set a 90-minute timer. And now it's time to...
So it didn't really capture... Like it got Moose and it got a little bit of me, but the actual clip is in the middle. So I see what it's trying to do. But
jump into your to-do list with 0 distractions. And if you don't finish, don't worry. You'll be doing 2 to 3 more of these throughout the day. And once you're done with your first 90-minute focus sprint, you're going to take a 30 to 45-minute break. I like to change scenery.
Okay. Let's see if we could possibly fix that. So the cool thing about Vidyo AI is that it has different frames, right? So let's say you didn't necessarily like that one. You can change it into other things. So if we go where it did that, I can shift this over, boom, to where it actually was. I can possibly make Moose a little bit bigger. Feel me? Boom. Maybe.
And next up, turn off all notifications. That's on your phone and your computer. And
so cool. Now, the only problem with that is this part, but I could probably trim it up because we weren't saying anything. So I could trim this up to right there. I wouldn't let me trim. Okay. Don't let me trim. Okay. Are we not letting... Is there not an easier way to trim? We will figure this out, people. We will figure this out. That's unfortunate if it won't let me trim. Let's see what other features it has. It says, what is this? Before cut magic, after cut magic. I think it already did cut magic, but okay. You could do you could fix the subtitles. You feel me? You can fix it. If you don't like what it automatically did, it has already different different ones for you that you can pick. So that's pretty dope. You can actually edit the captions if they messed up, and you can, I guess, add an emoji. Can you add an emoji? Yes, you can add an emoji, and you could do auto add emojis. So, boom.
Called a 90-minute focus sprint. First, the night before, you need to write out your to-do list. And next up, turn off all notifications. That's on your phone and your computer. And next up, set a 90-minute timer. And now it's time to jump into your to-do list with 0 distractions.
Granny said, you lost me on this one. Okay, Granny, let me make it simple. Let me make it simple. Because we're kind of testing it out as I'm going through it. So let me make this simple for you. I got you. So, once again, Vidyo AI takes your long form videos and cuts them into short form videos or shorter videos. So what we're testing out right now is the different layouts, the different options as far as captions, kind of the format of everything, to see if this is a tool that we could work with. Y'all know my favorite one is Opus Clip. Still, in my eyes, very undefeated. But we're looking at other options because also we got to look at different price points and different features. So hopefully, Granny, that helped. You know what I mean? Hopefully, Granny, that helped. Let me know. Do me a favor, if you have not subscribed to this channel and I've added any kind of value, or you want to get value from AI, social media, and content tips, hit subscribe, hit that like button so the algorithm can like us. You feel me? If you're watching this right now, hit that. Thank you. Trying to find something. Here we go.
So being proactive has been incredibly helpful for me. And then I know this will come up later towards the question of the week, but I rely on the resources that are available to me and make use of them to get work off my plate. I really do. I've been making use of that superpower to deploy resources accordingly, and then also to put like super teams together for bigger projects or things that really are very taxing.
So let's go over some of the different layouts for that one, right? This one has a very simple look, right? Oh, this one lets me trim it. Why didn't the other one let me trim it? Why didn't... So some do, some don't? Okay. All right. No worries. No worries. So let's see if this plays.
Oh, being proactive has been incredibly helpful for me. And then I know this will come up.
Okay, that's a clean look. Then you can add your little Instagram profile right there. It gives you the different titles and the captions. This just gives a different way that the captions come up. This one gives it a frame with the captions. This looks like Mr. Beast's captions.
Up later towards the question of the week, but I rely on the...
Okay. Kind of the same thing. Now it says subscribe. It gives you your YouTube. So these are just the different formats. What's this one? What's that? I'm curious now. What is that? What is that green joint?
Being proactive has been incredibly helpful for me. And then
what is this green joint? Is this just a random green joint? What? What just happened? That's so weird. Okay. Tell me if that's weird or not. All right. I think that's weird. But, all right. Let's go back. Can you give me the templates? All right. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, I think Vidyo AI does a really dope job on the different frames that you can do. So I do like what they added as far as, because they only used to have about like 4 or 5 different frames. And now it looks like it has just an abundance of different frames that you can use to find your own style. So yeah, I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this. Now, I wonder, you can, once again, you can automate the emoji so you don't have to add it manually. So that's pretty cool. You can add different things like progress bars, logos, and outro. Progress bars is a little bit outdated. That's what, Gary Vee used to use. But if you like that, so as you can see in the bottom, it'll start to show.
And then I know this will come up later toward.
Yeah, but that's extremely outdated. You can add your own logo, which is pretty cool. Excuse me. This is saying add B-roll. Like, you can add different pictures, videos, audios. So that's interesting. I think the stock audios is going to be cool for those people who want to use sound effects. So, oh, this is actual beats. This is not even sound effects. Okay, they give you a few. Now, okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. They give you 4 beats. You can create your own background, and then you can actually generate your social media captions with AI. So if I wanted to do a TikTok one, it's going to generate the description and goes based off the transcript. It'll create a caption for me. So proactive power at its finest, utilizing available resources and assembling super teams has been a game changer for me. Stay tuned for the question of the week. Okay. Was it say for Instagram? Instagram says proactive mindset equals success, utilizing available resources and forming super teams for big projects. If I was to do LinkedIn, so I like that it changes with each platform. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, that one's pretty cool. So let's go back. So if we kept this frame,
incredibly helpful for me. And then I know this will come up later towards the question of the week, but I like that frame. I like how it keeps the center. I like how it doesn't lower the quality. So that's really cool. And then if I wanted to save it, when you download it, you can do 720. That's going to be if you're on the free version. If you're on the pro version, you get 1080 80p. So I can hit confirm. Boom. And then it's exporting and I can download it later, right? Now, what it also does is that it will also clip up things for YouTube. So if you have a long form video, this was a 13-minute video. Not only does it do shorts and can create it for TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, all the vertical videos, it could do that. But it also can give you YouTube clips, like long form YouTube clips that you could put on your channel, which is really, really good. So this goes from 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, and it literally starts. So we play this. Thinking about, am I working too hard? Right? A lot of times it's not about the hustle and grind. And not really about working the crazy hours like some. So, okay. I see what it's doing. I'm not a fan of that particular frame. So they have different frames for long form as well. Thinking about, am I working too hard? right? A lot of times it's not about the hustle. So this is cute because it actually has the words on the side as it continues. I was watching this Alex Hormozy clip that I'm about to play that got me really thinking we need to talk about this more. I'm not all the way mad at it. I'm not all the way mad. So here's some other frames, as you can see. Just to stand out a bit, right? Let's say you just don't want the regular smegular videos. It could give you a kind of a look to stand out. For the most part, I'm not really mad at it. I'm not mad. But you let me know, based off what we've seen, it is better frames, but does it have better clips? I can't necessarily confirm or deny. Based off my preference, I do feel that Opus Clip does a better job. That's just my opinion.